And on that cheery note, and to help us think about what's next in the market, we welcome Gina Bolvin. She's president of Bolvin Wealth Management. She thinks stocks have run pretty far since the election and wouldn't be surprised if they take a break soon, which is basically, Gina, what Bob Pisani just said. We've come a long way since November 8th. A lot of momentum built in, a lot of anticipation about what a Trump administration could or might not mean for business. What do you think about the next few months?
Well, I think that most investors in the stock market should be long-term. We have seen the Dow risen almost about 9% since the election, and we really have to stop and think, how much gas do we have in the tank at this point?
So what are you thinking now, Gina? If we hit 20,000, that there might not be gas to go to 22,000 or 23,000?
Well, I think it's really important to take a look at where we are right now, and we've seen a tremendous run-up in the market. I think investors are betting a lot on a Trump administration, and it will be good for stocks. And I don't think there's a lot of room for error. We think 2017 may be similar to 2016, and there might be some volatility. We have interest rates rising, and we have elections overseas in Europe, and there could be some volatility along the way.
So let's talk about that point that Bob made or concluded with, and that is the idea that if you have a diversified portfolio, whether it's 50% stocks and 50% bonds or 60-40 as is a more classic mix, the bonds have not done very well this quarter. How should I feel about that? And should I make a move to lighten up on bonds and move more to stocks, or what?
Well, we would be very cautious to chase the run-up in the market, and it may be a good time to do the opposite of that and rebalance your portfolio and take some profits off your stock positions or your stock mutual funds and add a little bit of money into the bond market that has had a correction here.
So, Gina, since we're all on this watch for the Dow to hit 20,000, I mean, I don't know, personally, I'm planning a ticker tape parade. What does it really mean for the markets?
I think it's a very short-term milestone, and it certainly is exciting, but I don't in any way think that it's very important or any type of indication of what's going to happen in 2017.
Give me a sector, Gina, quickly, that you think might outperform the overall market in 2017. Do you have one in mind?
Well, we do like technology. One of the reasons why we like technology is because over the past couple of years, the NASDAQ has not done as well as S&P and Dow-like stocks. And we like financial services. We think they'll do well under a Trump administration as there's less regulation. And the reason we like technology is because financial services spend a lot of money on technology.
Gina, thanks very much. Gina Bolvin, Happy New Year. Gina Bolvin is with
Thank you.
Bolvin.
Happy New Year to you.
You bet.
Thanks for having me.
You bet.